Hey there, folks. Well, it's finally time. We can special order here in the US. Special order? And you're asking, what are you talking about? Hermes is finally going to let us special order online here in the US. It's breaking news. Stick around. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My channel is about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, favorite fragrance, skincare, makeup, and of course, handbags, luxury goods, all the things that make you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve to treat yourself. Today, we're going to be talking about the latest addition to the Hermes online website, which is quite spectacular. I'm really excited by it. It's been all over shorts and things. There's probably been a video here and there, but I just thought I would talk about it because I have actually done this already. It just went live, I believe, about 2 weeks now on the Hermes website. And this whole process of special ordering items has been available in the US, but typically only in store, and you have to be offered it from a sales associate. But this particular iteration of special order is a little bit unique. So, a little bit of backstory. It's actually been available online in other countries for quite some time. And I was actually very fortunate to have a friend who was abroad, and because I knew her from Caleb Snell's membership, and we have the members meetup every year, well, had been having it every year, we had coordinated about ordering online. She would get it for me and then bring it over when she came into the US to visit. So I special ordered mine through the French website last year and got mine last year. So I already have one here, right here, that I actually have already, unboxed, used, what have you. So I've already gone through the experience and can say it's definitely worth it, in my opinion. But now it's here and available in the US. But we have not only the ability to special order these two items that were available in the European market, but there's also another thing you can order on the Hermes website. So we're going to talk about that as well, which I'm kind of tempted by. So that might be something I'll be picking up this year. But a little bit of background on the two items. So the Hermes website has been kind of refreshed. The whole banner top load has been updated. So all of the rearrangement of the icons and things have happened. So some of the just layout has been refreshed, and people have noticed that there's now this section with like personalization, special order type of items. And when you do the drop down menu, there's the bespoke, which has always been there, which is the really custom, like have a custom couch made or what have you. But this particular subset on there now, where you can customize a Calvi or a Bastia, which was available last year when I purchased mine. But then they also have custom belts. And when you click into them, they actually say that the Calvi and the Bastia are women's items and the belts are only men's items. But looking at the colors, I mean, it's all unisex. I think that the difference with the belts is because there's no Kelly. I think one, or the ones that would typically be the closure of the women's one. That's probably the only one that I could tell that wasn't specifically uniquely women's. But when I was playing around in the website and the colors, I would order the men's belt and call it good. So anyway, when you're on the website, they have, and I'm going to grab it, have my phone, my backup phone up here. You basically click on the tab that says special edition and services and then personalized objects. And as you scroll down, you'll see the self-made purse item, and then we'll have the Bastia and the Calvi. And then you keep scrolling and it's at the waist. And then there's the different belt sizes. So they have the 32 mm belt and the 38 mm belt. And then when you go into there, they have the different leathers that you can pick. And then with the men's belts, there are a number of different buckle combos you can have. At one point when I was playing on there, there were 38 different combinations of buckles to choose from. And now it kind of varies depending on the size. So what I've been noticing is that the types of leathers that are available, the colors that are available, and they're kind of moving around. So it seems to be as they run out of stock, it updates. So same thing with the Calvi and the Bastia. So like the base information, let me click onto one. I'll kind of read you what it says. I'll put it up on the screen as well. It says, enjoy a personalized service for 2 iconic small leather goods models. Choose the external leather from 2 emblematic leathers and 17 colors. But right now, as of what I'm filming this right at this exact moment, it only has 11 available on there. So it has gone up and down in color combinations. To create a bicolor coin purse to suit your style. Epsom calfskin lined with Epsom calfskin is a leather with a fine and regular grain, and Swift calfskin lined with Swift calfskin is a smooth and supple and refined leather. For a final touch, choose a message, initials, and dates that will be stamped on the leather, and then they'll personalize it, made with the greatest of care by one of their saddle leather artisans. So there are different prices depending on which leather you choose. So you can't have Swift on the outside and Epsom on the inside. You have to have just one type of leather, and the prices do vary depending on which one you get. It takes 12 weeks about to get the order. Mine in France didn't take that long. I mean, it took that long for me to get it because it came from on a flight and all the rest of it, the coordinating the meetup. But I remember when my friend ordered it, it actually came in sooner than the 12 weeks, but it does say that it had a lead time at the time. So I will show you mine because I really did like the way that mine turned out. So it doesn't come in anything any special packaging. It just had the brown ribbon as usual, and then it just came in the typical box with the tissue paper. And mine, I ended up using Epsom as my leather, and I did Mauve Sylvester as the outer and Rouge Sayé as the interior, and then I just got the horseshoe and regular stamp inside. I did not customize mine. With the site, you can choose to get another stamp, either I believe right here on the Calvi or on the exterior. And when you're building your combination, you will see the preview online. So I will tell you, when I did mine, I probably took 3 or 4 days at least, and just was going back and forth with the color combos, which one looked the prettiest, and there were so many different color options. At first I thought I wanted to do the Rouge on the outside and the mauve pale inside, and then I realized that the mauve pale will get dirty on the inside with what I was going to put in it with the cards and everything. And I mean, either way, this is going to get dirty, but I was just kind of like thinking of worst case, but I really wanted to have the mauve pale. So that's the color combination I chose. And I was considering doing, I'll take my Bastia out, getting into Bastia, because right now I have this is Mysore. I have this, I think it's Rose SLA. I can't remember that color comment with this one, but since I don't have a bicolor one, and you can get just on the website, there's often bicolor ones on there, I thought I would go ahead and maybe make myself a custom one of this one with maybe some other color combinations. So I'm looking at that. And then I was also looking at possibly doing the belt. So let's do prices really quick so you can see. So the Epsom Bastia is $295. The Swift is $360. And then the Calvi is $435 for Epsom. I believe Swift was $560. I will double check. 530, pardon me, at the time. Now, granted, we don't know what the tariffs and the other things that happen, where it becomes very the prices vary substantially is on the belts. So when you start customizing that, I mean, it starts out let's just say a 32 millimeter belt. When you first look at the prices, you've got a 32 at 570 and a 38 at 630, and that's just the belt. When you start looking at the different kinds of buckles, I mean, one of the ones I customized went up to like $1,300 when all was said and done, between the leather I picked and the buckle I picked. And I was just like, okay, that's not sure that's quite what I want to do. But there were some really pretty color combinations. I'm just not, I don't know if I want to pull the trigger on the belt combinations, but I swear to God, you can just sit there and play and play and play. But I'm starting to think that because the website's been revamped, things have been moved around, things have been updated, there have been some surmising on the forum that I belong to, that this is paving the way for possibly all the special orders to move online. And I mean, to be honest, it makes sense. And I just like to make it where you get on there, you pick out what you're going to want, and they can just kind of pick and choose what they offer at any given time. Because like I said, I've been on there a few different times now for the last 2 weeks, and the leathers have disappeared. The versions, just everything has kind of changed around. The belt buckles have disappeared, some have reappeared. It's just like they're definitely curating what they're making available out there. Nonetheless, it's still an opportunity to have a custom item unique to whatever you want. Now, granted, you can pick the color combinations of what's currently available and offered. So I hope they keep this for a decent amount of time, and then we could have unique options for every, like, how every year the colors change, like to have just a different version of it. Like one of these days I'd like to have the anemone color. I just love that color, and I haven't seen it available. I don't even know the last time I saw it available on the website. I think I saw a bracelet with it a couple years ago, and that's really the only time I've ever seen it available anywhere. So it's just unique and hard to come by, and this would be a way to get an item with that. I'd love to see them do this process with like the Apple Watch bands. So many, there's just so many possibilities they could do. Like, I don't even care if they even bring the bags, but it would be awesome if they did. So anyway, this was just a really quick video talking about that it is an opportunity that you can do here in the US. And honestly, I love mine. I think it's just so cute. I regret not getting the additional stamp, but at the time I thought, well, if I didn't love it, because I didn't know if I would like a Calvi, I could sell it on if I didn't have it personalized with my initials, which was my intention to do an imprint with my initials and everything on there. But now I kind of want to do another one with my actual initials and maybe a shooting star, so you could have the 3 icons down here if you need be. But I love it. I think it's great to have this relatively unique piece. I mean, I'm sure anybody else could customize it too. So I'm probably not the only person in the world who did this color combination. It's a limitation, but there are some pretty interesting color combos you could do. And I think it would just be really fun to have a couple of interesting custom color combos in my collection. So I definitely want to do another Bastia, or I should say a Bastia that's custom to match this one, and then maybe one more Calvi that actually has my initials on it. So that is the video for today. Let me know down below, are you going to do something custom? Do you think it's cool that they're doing this now? Do you want to try it out, or could you care less? I mean you can get them on the preload market pretty reasonable as is, but is the allure of customizing your own piece worth it. They're not that more expensive than what they sell for. So it's, I mean, to have a completely relatively unique piece for just a little bit more than that they cost full retail, I think it's kind of cool. So I don't know, just my opinion. Let me know what you think. I will talk to you next one. Take care. Bye.